Hi everyone, back again. So I'll be eating white rice with pepper soup, chicken pepper soup with cow tripe mixed together. The mad combo. I made this pepper soup. It's basically for sale because if you don't know, I sell food. So this is it. This is the pepper soup and my white rice. I'm not going to finish this rice, too big for me, so I have to divide it. Whew, so hot. So guys, let's eat. Cheers to good life. I made this pepper soup with chicken with cow tripe, but for my own, I have only cow tripe here. I don't want to eat chicken. This is so hot. I've been craving for pepper soup for a very long time. What to eat? Can come here food now. I don't eat though. Forget all this eating videos you see. I just eat once in a while. Once maybe.
Which means I cannot take the soup.
I think I'll finish the rice. I know I said I will not finish it, but the sweetness of this thing. The sweetness. Oh, it's hot. So let's pour the remaining one. Ooh. Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna finish.
Ooh. I'm even tired of the meat. I don't think I'll go and share the meat to someone that is interested. Because for me, I'm gonna be eating only rice. Oh,
I think I cannot handle this spicy meat. The pepper, no? The pepper. It's the pepper. It's taking it. I'm also so spicy too much.
I have to step it down with Zoba bell. The pepper is peppering. Jesus.
Do you want the meat? No, more. There's something spicy. Okay, give me the meat.
Cheers to good life.
That's all. Don't eat the same food. Daddy cooked that one is not for sure. Daddy.
See you guys in my next one.
Daddy will do better than mommy.
Bye.